So today is Holi, and since I live alone in Mumbai, uh, it's for me it's just another weekend sort of a day. So yes, I have no plans as such. मुझे कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना है. No party to attend, nothing only. So for like I'm gonna treat it just like another weekend day. Few things that I'm gonna reset. अभी मैंने बर्तन धोए हैं. Very important. Today I'm thinking to oil my hair up because मैंने 4-5 दिन उसे किया नहीं है. Not nice. So that's what we are going to do today. Few videos that I have to work on. Few little things here and there that I have to work on. So yeah, that's what we are going to do today. Let me go grab my oils. Okay, so for oiling, I usually do like mix of oils that I put in my hair. एंड मैं वो उनको इन छोटे छोटे जार्स में रख लेती हूँ, कंटेनर्स में. सो टुडे आई एम डूइंग अ मिक्स ऑफ कास्टर ऑयल एंड कोकोनट ऑयल. आई थिंक दिस इज द मिक्सचर दैट आई यूज द मोस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्मेल. आई लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ कोकोनट ऑयल. सो एंड मिक्सचर के टर्म्स में आई डू 50-50. सो 50% ऑफ कोकोनट ऑयल, 50% ऑफ कास्टर ऑयल. The pump is slightly difficult, this one. This one's from Dabur. काफ़ी मेहनत लगी. मिक्सचर को मिला देते हैं. And here's the oil is ready for me. And then I have a mirror right in front of me. I'm gonna partition my hair. मैंने ना एक्चुअली बहुत साल अपने बालों की ऑयलिंग नहीं करी है. जब मैं कॉलेज में थी ना, आई हैव नॉट डन इट. एंड और फिर मैंने बीच में पार्लर्स वगैरह है कलर कराना काफ़ी कुछ शुरू कर दिया था. कलर कराना मैंने शुरू किया था बिकॉज माई हेयर, आई हैड ग्रे हेयर और आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग ग्रे हेयर फ्रॉम 6th स्टैंडर्ड इटसेल्फ. तो वो उसको छुपाने के लिए आई स्टार्टेड कलरिंग माई हेयर. और कॉलेज में मैं बहुत ही फ्रीक्वेंटली करवाती थी. Every month I used to do full colors कराती थी मैं. And yeah, I think it took me a little bit of time to get out of that insecurity of mine, me having grey hair. And legit, like, this is such a weird thing. People around you, everyone used to like toko me saying, "Arey, you have grey hair. Arey, tere safed baal." Like, I don't know. Like, oh my God, you are the first person in the world. अगर आपने मुझे नहीं बताया होता तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता. देयर आर स्टिल पीपल हु डू दैट वंस इन अ वाइल, बट या नाउ इट डजंट बॉदर मी मच, बट एज अ किड इट यूज्ड टू बॉदर मी. ऑल्सो आई बिलीव मतलब माई हेयर ग्रे हेयर्स आर गॉन एक्चुअली. देयर वाज अ टाइम लाइक आई डोंट कलर माई हेयर एनी मोर. आई स्टॉप डूइंग इट 3-4 years ago. I just completely stopped doing it. And yeah, I barely have any gray hair now these days. I don't know how that happened. Maybe it could have been due to stress or something like that. But yeah, now I don't have it for some reason. Like, it's good now. एक time पे I had a lot of gray hair. Legit, it was a lot. Now I don't have it that much. So yeah. So anyways, my hair has taken a lot of damage and now I want to revive them. At least take care of them as much as I can. So this is where I'm focused on. Okay, I have put a tissue paper because काफ़ी spill भी हो सकती है चीज़ें. And I'm just looking at the mirror. I'm just gonna place the oil wherever I can and just massage a little. And then I'm gonna leave it for an hour. And then I'll go to shower and wash it off. Simple, easy peasy. So now that my hair oiling is done, 1 घंटा मैं उसको रहने दूंगी. Then I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna shower as well. 1-2 बज गया है. I've not showered, but yeah, that's besides the point. So I'm gonna journal. This is my journal that I've been doing for 2.5 months or something. I've already shared about this a lot of times on my channel. So guys, please watch other videos. But yeah, the last entry is of course yesterday's entry. Today's entry I've not started it because I spent a lot of my time today talking to my family. And you know what, guys? Finally, हमने मम्मी को WhatsApp दे दिया है. Cause I mean, she was a little hesitant to have WhatsApp with her. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, now we have just. Holy, at least people are enjoying. Yeah, that's good. Here are the few things that I've been using. For my hair, I've been using this Beer shampoo. I think this is from Park Avenue. So this Beer shampoo that I've been using, I think it is working fine for me. For the hair mask, which I always do, I don't do a conditioner. I don't know why, because for the longest time I thought this was a conditioner, but this is a hair mask. Oops. But I really love this. This is from Pro Bio. And this is the new packaging, by the way. They used to have like a bigger container, which was quite handy. I used that container for like 2 years, I believe. And yeah, they've changed the packaging. The quantity is lesser, but since I love this product so much, I've just gotten it anyway. And for my face wash, I've changed this one actually. The last one that I was using was Dot & Key. This is from Nykaa Naturals, and yeah, I'm just seeing what works for me. I don't think that I've really found the face wash for myself yet, but let's just keep exploring until I find the one. Now I'm gonna just dry my hair, which by the way looks really funny at this point. First, I'm gonna do a lip balm because I don't like my face without any tint for some reason. So I'm gonna use the one from Maybelline because this is my favorite so far. I've tried a few others, but not really settled in for anything else so far. Okay, just gonna change the angle a bit because I feel this is a little awkward. Okay, so the lip balm is done. Now for the hair, मैंने already थोड़े बाल जो हैं वो सुखा दिए, and since my hair is like really thin, it doesn't take a lot to dry my hair, and hence I don't use hair dryers and all. I try to avoid heat as much as I can because I've already damaged my hair a lot, and yeah, I don't want to keep doing that. So yes, but I do like to use a hair serum. The one that I'm using right now is from Streaks. Yes, this is what I've been using so far. Same with the hair serum as well. I don't think I've found the one product yet, but yeah, this sort of works for me. And पहले ना मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सीरम लगाती थी, तो बाल धोने के बाद भी मेरे hair काफ़ी oily दिखते थे, as in there was a lot of shine going onto them. But now I have sort of, now I stick to a pump. Earlier I think I used to do like 4. Well, I'm gonna do like a lighting here so that my face is slightly more visible. I have this one, so very cute little, whoa, very strong lighting. I think this light is super handy, as in this has a little bit of clip to it, so you can just technically clip it anyway. I think this is a good angle. This is a really good angle. Okay. And now I'm just gonna comb my hair. For this, I'm gonna use a very gap wala comb. Okay, honestly मेरे बाल अभी भी गीले हैं थोड़े से, like they're damp, not really ऐसे गीला गीला नहीं है, तो this will work for us. And now time to move on to my skincare, but before I move on to that, because I've used serum, I'm gonna go wash my hands and then start. And by the way, I use tissue paper on my face. I don't use a towel. The reason is that my doctor recommended to use a tissue paper, technically not reuse the same thing on my face. So by the way, here is my vanity, and this I think is a good spot for me to get ready. So first thing is a toner. This is the one from Hyphen. I've been using it for 2 months now. I'm almost done with this, and you know what, I'm gonna re-order this as well because I really like this one so far. I'm gonna take a bit of it. And I don't forget my neck. again, like a new habit, whatever is left on my palms, I just end up using it on my neck. I don't know if this helps. Okay, the next thing is I'm gonna use a serum again from Hyphen. It's their double shot Radiance Lift Serum. I'm almost done with this, and by the way, I love this product again so much that I already have another one. So yes, I think this is this going to be the last one today, or maybe one more use? Let's see. I think 1, 2, 3 more uses are left. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to use a moisturizer and wait. The one that I use is from Requil. I have been using this for legit 3 to 4 years now. मैं जब से मुंबई आई हूँ actually मैं ये use कर रही हूँ, and I'm in love with this product so much that I have another one. And मैंने अभी तक इसके आराम से बहुत सारे tubes खत्म कर लिए हैं. I always keep coming back to this one product for moisturizer. I don't think कि जब से मैं ये use कर रही हूँ I've even tried any other moisturizer because this works well for me. So yes, this one is for I think this one is for dry to combination skin. If you have an oily one, I think they have a product for that as well, so you can grab that one. And then finally what I'm gonna do is sunscreen, another product from Hyphen. So I love this product, and I also love this one from the Derma. I think these two are the ones that have really stood out for me, and I have another one from Dot & Key, but this was an emergency purchase actually at my sister's wedding. So yeah, wasn't really a choice, but I just ended up getting it. And I don't think I've given this a fair chance yet, because I love this one and the other one so much. Once these are over, maybe I'll use that one. You know, one thing I observed and really love about Hyphen as a product is none of their products really have any sort of fragrance. No fragrance is there, which is a better option than having a fragrance that I would not like. So I think, yeah, that's the thing that I really like about their products. And since अभी मैं कुछ कर नहीं रही हूँ, I will not do any makeup as of now. मुझे नहीं लग रहा अभी मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, but I'll do one thing. I'll put little bit of the lipstick, not a lot, but a bit. I think I'll use this one. I've been keep coming to this lipstick that I keep pairing up with my balms, lip balms. I like the color a lot. I don't know if you can see it or not. Wee. And then I'm gonna layer it with my lip balm. So that's my hair done, my face is done, makeup is also done for the day, and now we should eat something, because I haven't eaten anything yet. I had my breakfast, but then uske baad se I have not eaten anything, and I think it's 3 PM or 4 PM already. For my lunch, मैंने रात को actually पहले ही थोड़ा खाना बनाया था, which is left, so I'm just gonna reuse that. I have, I think, aloo बैंगन, crispy aloo बैंगन. I love aloo बैंगन. And then I have पालक का रायता. So अभी मैंने फ्रिज से निकाला है, तो मैं इनको थोड़ी देर रखे रहने दूंगी, and then I'll do lunch. Till then, I think I'm gonna just chill a bit. So I'm done with everything. I also did my lunch and all, and now I'm gonna move on to actually edit a video, which is a reel about how I got my first PR package at just 168 followers on my Instagram. And if you would love to know that as well, please follow me on Instagram. You can get the story there. So yes, I'm just gonna go. Also, I'm thinking to have a cup of tea, so let me come back with a cup of tea. Wait. Yes, I'm back with the tea. And मैंने ना थोड़ी सी चाय पहले पी ली है, so मैं थोड़ी कम लेके आई हूँ भी, although my cup says something else, but yes. Now first thing what I've done, I've already as in transferred all the data that is required in my laptop, and I don't usually do any crazy editing because मेरे पास इतना time नहीं होता है, so I keep my editing very simple and all. Also half of the job is actually done by my DJI Pocket. Yeah, the quality and everything, I don't do color correct, I don't do shit, कुछ नहीं करती है मैं. I just put like basic jump cuts and I put caption and that's it. That's all I do. By the way, if you'd want a YouTube video about how I edit my videos, reels and long form content, you can let me know in the comment section below. Okay, a little update. So the video that I was trying to edit, I realized that it didn't really have a good outro. ऐसा close कुछ ढंग से हो नहीं पा रहा था. So मैंने legit अभी बिल्कुल एक नहीं, how many seconds it is? It's like 7-8 seconds. I just shot it with my DJI Pocket, put it here, and now it's complete. So yeah, all the basic cuts are done. Now I'm just gonna put the captions. Do not really bother about anything else in the edit and just post it. Yes, and my advice to you, whoever wants to start doing content creation, don't overthink your edits. I have talked about this a lot. I've talked about this earlier in my videos as well, and yeah, just stick to it. तो एडिटिंग अभी हो गई है, मैंने अपना वीडियो एयर ड्रॉप कर लिया है अपने आईफोन में. नाउ आई एम गोना पोस्ट इट. 2 places I'm gonna post it. One is Instagram Reels and another is YouTube Shorts, and yeah, let me just quickly do it. And it's up. So yes, this is where I'm gonna stop the vlog, work on a few other things that I really wanted to, and I mean, yeah, that's it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all the good stuff, and happy Holi to all of you. I didn't celebrate it, but I hope you're doing so with your family and friends, and yes, I love you guys. Toodles.